gosh. Grabe. Teka muna. Intro. Sa bidyong ito, sisilipin natin ang isa sa pinakamalaki at Pinoy theme park ng Pilipinas, ang Pradera Island. Tayo po ay sasakay mula sa nakakaaliw hanggang sa nakakapigil hiningang mga rides. Samahan niyo po kaming tuklasin ang world-class na theme park na ito. Ako po si Proy, Kisel, Adi, Alden, at Aya. Hi guys! Welcome to the video. And today, isi-check natin yung newest and biggest theme park dito sa may Lubao, Pampanga. Ito yung Pradera Island Theme Park. Nandito kami sa parking. Sa parking, wala naman kayo magiging problema dito. Napakalaki ng parking niya. Ngayon, ito sa ticket muna tayo pupunta. Yan. So, unfortunately, walang walang reservation sa online. So, kailangan mag-walk-in ka dito sa may ticketing area nila. So, check natin kung magkakano yung ticket price nila, kung may promo ba or what. So, yun guys, kung bumibili na si Mami ng ticket, meron pala silang birthday promo. Ask nyo na lang sa cashier kung open pa yun. Kasi birthday ni Mami ngayong October. So, free na siya basta merong kayong kasamang dalawang paying adults. Tapos, ang regular ticket dito is 1,500 pero meron silang promo ulit na 888 per person. Tapos si Aya, iba yung rate ng bata. Okay na okay. Bawal pala magdala nung parang stroller, scooter. Ito, pinapabalik sa amin sa sasakyan. So, good thing malapit lang yung parking nila. Kaya, balik muna natin dun sa sasakyan, tsaka tayo entrance dito sa may Pradera Island. Yung sa ticket pala guys, they do accept cash, credit card, GCash, Maya. So, walang magiging problema. At good thing, meron ding, pag naubusan kayo ng cash, meron daw ATM sa loob. So, good na good. So, excited na kami. Excited na ako maging bata ulit. Ikaw, dear. Hindi ako mag-release. Entrance sa Pradera Island. Ito yung mga prohibited items. Pause ko na lang siya guys. Ayan. Okay, thank you. So pagpasok mo dito guys, makikita mo itong yan. Gumawa rin sila dito ng parang replika ng Arayat Mountain. Yan. So, dyan kilala ang Pampanga sa Arayat Mountain na yan. So, ang ganda. Luwag. So guys, our first ride is here, the boat. So, nandito siya sa may yung entrance niya, nandito sa may heritage. Bali, part by part pala itong Pradera Island. Ito yung heritage part ng Pradera. So, tara, try natin itong Hiraya Hopper. Dito na sa Hiraya Hopper, bibigyan kayo ng life vest. Kuya, malalim ba to? Bewang lang. Wow. Dito pala, paikot siya. Tapos, ayan, no? May kita mo lahat ng mga rides. Ayan. Guys, dito sa may heritage part ng Pradera, merong Sus Coffee. So, pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga maiinom, kape, refreshment. Ice coffee na lang yung ibili rin namin para mainit kasi dito sa may Pampanga. So, dito na tayo sa ride. Ang portion na to is Banwa Portal. So, ito yung heritage na sa likod ko. Kumanan kami. Ang park na to is Banwa Portal. Nandito yung mga extreme rides yata. So, check natin. Sa Banwa Portal, ito yung mga rides niya. Yan. Ito muna tayo sa Turbulence. Let's go!
Yeah, this is about to start. I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but I think this is gonna go up and down now, I think. Why is it moving down something? Just moving up and down. Just moving up and down. Oh, no, it's moving. It's moving. Bro, it's moving side by side. It's moving side by side.
How was the ride?
I didn't expect it to turn. I thought it was going up and down like the pole. Okay, we're going there next. What?
For your safety. Yan. Check nyo na lang siya, guys. Post nyo siya para may idea na kayo. At least 48 inches to ride. How was the ride? How was the ride?
It's so scary. It's so good at the same time.
And then,
It's so dizzy. It's like, you know, it's like
what?
It's like when you turn around, it's like it's stopping there. It's like, it's so, I don't know.
But it's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Wow.
Again, can we try the parkour? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Kaming mga matanda, dito na lang kami sa side para panoorin sila. Yan. So, ito naman yung what's this? Galura Flyer. You must be ito, 42 inches para makapag-ride. So, same with, dun sa isang ride.
Alden. How he plays it so nonchalant, so quiet. Look at Kuya Alden, look at Kuya Alden. Thank you po.
What's up, guys? You're so busy. So, here's the Talas Station. Yan, pwede kayong kumain dito. Katabi lang ng Galura Flyer. So, let's see kung ano yung menu dito. So guys, ito yung menu ng Talas Station para magka-idea kayo kung magkakano yung mga pagkain dito sa Pradera Island. Yan. So, medyo pricey yung soda, 100 pesos. Dito sa may Talas Station, katapat niya yung Bambalitos Hideout. Yan. Kita pa ba? Bambalitos Hideout. So, medyo kung gusto nyo ng physical activities, meron din dito. So, skip muna natin tong Bambalitos Hideout kasi medyo time consuming siya. Kaya doon tayo sa kabila. So, the next one is Andromeda Station. Yan, nag-aantay na sila mami. So, let's go! Wow, medyo maraming pila dito, guys. So, guys, Andromeda Station is a bump car. Yun, tapos na tayo dito sa may Andromeda Station. Yeah.
Very fun.
Fun inside, yeah. Nakaka-enjoy doon sa bump cart. So, dito sa tapat ng Andromeda Station, merong, ayan, Banwa Shuttle.
Let's go, guys! Let's go!
Napakalakas ng loob ng mga bata ngayon, ano? Lalo na sa Ate Addison, lahat ng extreme ride, tinatry niya.
I'm not ready. Ay! Look at the view, guys. It's so nice. Going up and down.
How's the feeling?
Scary. Like if you go, like you're about to go down, that's okay. But if you're going up now, and then you're gonna go back down again, it's like it starts to feel now.
Start to me. I'm proud of you.
Right?
So guys, here's the second one, the Star Seeker Safari. So let's try the Star Seeker. This is for Aya naman. Wala rin pila dito guys. Here's the Star Seeker, guys. Let's go! Aya, you're good in driving After dun sa Banwa Portal, dito na tayo sa part ng Araya Town. Yan, yun yung Araya Town. Mga rides niya, Naga Bridge, Battle Bumpers. Yan. So, check natin dito guys. The building is on fire!
Kaya go po kami sa bahay.
Guys, meron palang haunted house dito. We are checking the safety reminders. So, checkin na rin to. Post nyo na lang guys. Bali, 12 to 15 years old must be accompanied by an adult companion. So, kung may underlying conditions kayo is mas mabuti mag-ask tayo sa mga staff. Bago kayo pumasok dito sa may horror house, may tip kami. Earpads, earphone, lagay nyo lang sa tenga nyo para hindi kayo matakot sa loob. Let's go! Grabe, pagpasok mo pa lang dito, talagang matatakot ka na. Woo!
I don't wanna talk, I'm too scared.
Grabe. Yan guys, kung naririnig niyo yung background, may mga tumatawa, may bata. So, ito na yung bahay ni Aling Pasha.
Mga gamit po.
Mga gamit? Okay.
So, bawal din po camera, cellphone.
Bawal camera? Bawal pala camera?
Sa labas lang po.
Sa labas lang. Alright guys, we survived the horror house. So, pwedeng pakiusapan yung si Kuya na walkthrough lang. Yan, walkthrough lang kasi merong manggugulat doon sa loob pero pwede naman na dadaan lang kayo, walang manggugulat. tingin-tingin lang dun sa mga nakakatakot na mga displays.
Inside, it's like it's so loud. Tapos it's so scary. Damn. Like, oh, and you know, there's this part because we weren't able to record it. It's so funny. Our dad went first. And like, after that, there was like a part where there's like lots of limbs going down. It's like tied up. My dad had no choice but to go down. Like,
Down. Yeah.
he's just crawling. He crawled basically almost half of the ride. And then before, there's like a robotic, there's like a nanny there that's sitting on a wheelchair. Wait, no. What's a rocking chair? Ah, rocking chair. That one. He almost pushed me to it. He held me. He's like, his eyes were big and he's like looking at it. It's like very frightened. And then after that, there was like a jump scare. And my dad looked and he was gulat. It's so funny. It's my it's my first time seeing my dad get that scared over
He was
horror
more
house.
scared than us.
Yeah.
What? How about you, Kuya Alden?
It's scary since I was in the back.
Very terrifying.
Yeah.
It's terrifying inside. Ano
So
ba yan?
yun, kasi sa loob, bawal kang magdala ng camera, ng
Any digital devices.
gamit, bag mo, tatanggalin mo siya. So, walang maiiwan sa'yo kundi lang.
Yourself.
Ito, buti may earphones kami. Yun, gamit din namin to sa loob para iwas, gulat.
My earphones didn't really work because it was
Yes.
pausing. My music was
Yes.
pausing. So I was able to hear everything.
Yes. So, yun. Tapos na tayo dito sa bahay ni Aling Pasha. It was good. Talagang nakakatakot siya, lalo na kung may mga sa loob ng gugulat. So, let's go on the next one.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style. The way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe.
Yun, kakatapos lang nung fireworks dito sa Pradera Island Theme Park. So, ganda. Yung sa mga rides, guys, ang napansin namin na wala dito is yung carousel, the Ferris wheel. Parang kulang sila sa mga pambata.
Medyo.
Yeah, sa mga mas marami yung extreme rides nila. Maganda ang Pradera Island Theme Park. Lalo na may discount, tsaka libre si Mami. Dahil sa birthday niya. How about you guys?
My experience at Pradera, it was very fun and the ride here was very exciting. My favorite ride here was Space Force. It was very fun.
Breathtaking.
Yeah.
Well, it was a really fun experience here. It's worth visiting. I wish that we were able to finish all the rides, but we couldn't. The fountain and then the fireworks, it was pretty exciting. It was loud, there was good music.
So, Mami, what's your take about it? Aya.
What's your favorite?
The bumper cards.
Bumper car. Whoa, that's good. Me too. Our tip, medyo mainit dito sa Pradera Island Theme Park. Kailangan nyo magdala ng mga fans, like the mini fans like this. Let me see. Yan, yung mga ganito. So, pampa-refresh. Go Dudok, yata yung brand nito. Meron din kaming yung mas malaki. Yan. Yan. That's good for ilang hours, tsaka mas malaki siya. Tsaka tip na rin, pag nagpunta kayo rito guys, medyo hapon na para hindi mainit. Kasi kung napapansin nyo, yung mga rides is open siya pagka nabilad sa araw. I'm sure yung mga upuan is mainit siya. Tsaka syempre kawawa din yung mga bata, mabibilad sa araw. Kung napansin nyo yung mga pila is wala namang pila sa mga rides. So wala rin tong express pass, so pantay-pantay lang kayo. Yung tickets dito is isang payment lang, ride all you can na kahit paulit-ulit ka. So I guess this is it. We really appreciate your time watching guys.
And as always, please like, share, and subscribe.
And follow our socials.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.